Today, I'll walk you through how to create a gallery in WordPress using Elementor, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a stunning gallery so you can showcase your images beautifully on your website. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by entering your site's URL followed by /wp-admin in your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. This is your command center for managing your website. Next, we need to create a new page for our gallery. Look for the Pages option in the left sidebar and click on it. Once there, select Add New to start a fresh page. This is where your gallery will come to life. Now, type in a name for your page. It could be something simple like Gallery or Photo Showcase. Once you've named your page, it's time to edit it with Elementor. Click on the Edit with Elementor button. This will open the Elementor interface where all the magic happens. In the Elementor editor, you'll want to search for the basic gallery widget. You can find this by using the search bar in the left panel. Once you locate it, drag and drop the basic gallery widget onto your page. This is the foundation of your image gallery. Now, click on the basic gallery widget that you just added. You'll see an option to add images. Click on the plus sign to start selecting images from your media library. This is where you can choose the photos you want to showcase. If you need to upload new images, click on Select Files and choose the desired images from your local folder. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The process remains the same. Once your images are selected, you may want to deselect any images you don't want to include. Click on Deselect if needed, and then proceed to create your gallery by clicking on Create a New Gallery. After that, click on Insert Gallery to add it to your page. Now, you can modify the display settings. Change the image resolution to fit your design preferences, ensuring your gallery looks sharp and professional. Next, let's adjust the layout. Click on Columns to decide how many images you want to display in each row. You can also change the order of the images, whether by random or default settings, to keep your gallery fresh and engaging. Finally, customize your display based on your preference. This could involve adjusting spacing, captions, or even hover effects to enhance user interaction. To review the changes you've made, click on the Preview button. This will allow you to see how your gallery looks before publishing it live on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully created a gallery in WordPress using Elementor. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.